My wudu, I'm not going to dip my hand immediately inside, so I want to wash the right hand because I'm going to use the right hand to extract water from this going forward. Okay, so this has got a, obviously it's got this handle here. So now what I do is this. That's more than sufficient. Okay, this is ready, this is good to go now. Okay, to now use as a way to extract water. I want to do my miswak first, right? So let's take this out. Okay. So I'm gonna now use this hand here to wash this hand. Both are good. Now you don't want to wash it on top of this. Avoid having this used water going inside this container. This is all the water that you have. You don't want to spoil it. So now what I'm going to do, I'll just take one handful of water, okay? And I've got my miswak. Do whatever you need to do. Okay, you brush your teeth. And now you're going to use another two, scoops of water to wash your mouth. So one, and you can suffice with one. 3 is the sunnah, but you can do 1 or 2. It's not a problem, because the Prophet ﷺ has done all of them. Okay, so that's done. My hands are done, and my mouth is done now. Now I'm gonna extract water, put it in the nose. Okay. Now, in terms of cleaning the nose out, I don't need to demonstrate that. You guys can do it yourself. Okay, I'm not gonna start displaying my goods. Okay. Okay, and now I'm going to extract water for the face. Okay, I've pulled it in both hands, and now I'm just rubbing the whole thing, face. I've basically lathered it the first time. Okay. And you have enough water that's going to be dripping. So now when it comes to the face, the parameter is this, from here to here to here to here. So you want to make sure that everything within this diameter, if that's what we call it, all of this is wet. Okay? And for those of us who have beards, you have to make sure at least every hair that is connected to your jaw, that's all wet. Okay? And even if this doesn't, someone's got like a super big beard, okay, and now all of that gets wet, not a problem. This needs to be all wet. The hair that is connected to the jaw. Okay? So pretty much that is done. Now I'm going to extract water for the arm. Okay, first I'm going to lather it. That's 1. That's 2. So that, well, how many drops is that?
More than 3.
Okay, it's more than 3, right? It's in this context you look for the 3 drops. Not when you're under a tap. Okay. Okay, so that's basically now 3 right there. Now look how much water is left. Okay, there's a lot of water left right now. That was a miss. Okay, so that's 2.
To use the left hand to take the water out?
You can.
Yeah?
Yeah, you can.
So you wash that,
Yeah, it's already clean. Okay.
Wash your hands just once, and then you did twice the fully, and then.
I did once, then I did the miswak, then I did another 2 times after that, so that's 3.
And but the hands you just did once.
Yeah, you don't have to do it 3 times necessarily. Once is fine.
So even in one wudu you can do some things once or twice.
That's correct.
other
You
things.
can mix. You also find that in the ahadith.
Okay.
Okay. Now that this is done, I just basically have to wipe my head. So I go all the way back and come back like this. Okay, and then I'm going to put my index fingers inside the inner part of my ear, clean all of that out, use my thumb for the outer part. Okay, and at this point, if you wish to do khilal, there's two things. variations. One is that you can do the khilal for those of us who have got a beard. Khilal basically means running your wet fingers through your beard. Okay, so you can do that after washing the face, or you can do it at this point. Okay, so basically what I'm doing is this. Okay, and pretty much that's done. Now I've got all of this for my feet. Okay, it's like more than ample water. Like 3/4 of wudu is already done. And so it's just a matter of how I'm going to do it. So I'm going to come this side because we got that there. Okay. So first, again, the sunnah is that I'm going to wash between the toes, and then I make my way, okay, to the back. Now, this is a surprising thing. When I was doing this research, out of all the ahadith that I looked into for wudu, there's only one narration that suggested that you wash the feet 3 times. All of the other narrations was just once. All of the other narrations was just once. Okay, so one wash is more than sufficient. You don't have to do it 3 times. So as you can see in this one wash, everything is wet. Right? There's nothing really left there. And I do the same thing here now. I wash between my toes, take it to the ankle, okay? And that's pretty much done, right? My heel is all wet. This is all wet, there's nothing left. It's all dry. And I still have water left over. Okay, so now what do I do with this? I stand up, I'll drink it. Done. And then I look into the sky. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah, ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. Allahumma ja'alni min at-tawwabin wa ja'alni min al-mutatahhirin. And you're fresh. Okay, so that's it.